Pan Studio 22, this is level 2 on Wednesday night.
And he owes his life to me.
No, well, we'll tell you the snake story another time. So the first thing we did was, when we roll the lady, we do a lot of rolling the lady buys, bending her buys, turning her buys, something like that. Today we stayed in the slot and turned her into us. And we did it, first of all, from open to close, and we did it in a standard left to right hand hold. So I prepped her outside, 1 prep, 2, she continues right at me, 3 and 4. And I do 2 things to help with the momentum. I use my left hand a little bit to redirect her away from me a little bit. But I also put my hand on her back when her back is facing me so that I can smoothly redirect her gently. And I want to make sure that if she's slightly moving away from me, that I do nothing to bring her at me on 6. I want to let her finish away. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and be sure you let her finish away. Okay? Then we did it with this hand, same move. So I'm picking her up basically on the shoulder blade because I want to hold her in close position. 1 prep, 2 turn, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And notice how quick I let go to receive her back. 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Right? And then we did a scroll. We did an R bar. We did an R bar called a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I can triple it or not. I can go 1, 2, pick her up early. She has to be on that side of you. You have to keep her over there. If she gets in front of you, beside you, or past you, this isn't going to work. You can still send her that way, but it's a different move in your setup that you already have done. It's probably not going to work. So you want to keep her in front of you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And notice that I'm shifting my weight into her to cause her to move. I'm not just standing here and ramming her with my arms, right? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and away, 5 and 6. And then we did a little something. What did we do? We did a little, we did a tuck.
Yes.
We did a moving tuck. And so in a moving tuck, I'm going to, her footwork, and I'm going to do the same thing with her. Makes it easier for me. I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now you can do that. You can just triple 5 and 6. We learned how to walk it a little bit, and we talked about transferring the lead, musicality, and all that kind of stuff. And I'm not going to go right now, but it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and ladies, do not step at him on that last step, whatever it is. Here we go. Thank you guys very, very much. We're going to turn over the outfit. We've got a little music coming. We've got a bunch of dance. We still have tons of cake over here. I'm going to go ahead.